Okay. So what was your approach there?
So I was trying to find the area of one of these.
Back up even, back to the beginning.
Well,
what was your approach?
So I said that this was it's an 8x5 rectangle.
Mm-hmm.
And I wanted to find the area of this. These two things, at least, are the same.
Okay.
Two quadrilaterals. So
And how were you planning on finding those?
I was trying to find the area of one of these triangles and then multiplying it by 4.
Right.
But it turned out that these triangles didn't have the same base and height.
Ah, okay. So now this is what I've been trying to ask. How were you going to find the area of those rectangles? What were you going to do?
Well, I was going the area of the triangles.
Yeah, triangles.
I was going to find the base and the height.
Okay. All right. And what did you choose for the base?
I chose that it was half of the hypotenuse.
Okay. All right.
That's for both of them.
Okay. That's a very complicated choice of base.
Well, I guess maybe I could choose this.
Yeah, the thing that you know is 1.
Because then this is halfway down.
So.
This is 2.5.
Uh-huh.
Since the area is 1.75.
Okay, since the choices are all fractions,
Or
you might want to.
1 point. So it's
might want to do this.
it's 1/4
Okay.
is the area of this one.
Okay.
And this is 1. Means that we're going down here, which would be 4. So 1 1/4 plus be 2. 3 1/4, and then we need to double it to 6.5.
Okay. Now, in doing this, you see that those two triangles are now not the same.
Because their heights. One's 2.5, one's 4.
Yeah, so they're not. It's not symmetric. It looks like it might be symmetric, but unfortunately, it's not. But the lesson here is that base times height is actually a very powerful idea. And what can you do here?
You can find the area of this area.
You can find it in a pretty straightforward way.
Yeah.
How?
Well, you find the area of these two individual triangles.
Yeah.
And you have half.
Okay. And how did you find the area of those triangles?
As you use what you know. You know this is 1.
Right.
You know this is the center of the rectangle.
Yeah. So you want to do base times height, so not sure why our computer was beeping. If you want to do base times height, sometimes if you know one of the sides of the triangle, that's a great thing to pick as the base. Right? Because you know the height, and you know the height here. So anyway, so what did you say, 6.5?
Yep.
There you go, 6.5. All right, good job, man.